In this video, we will show you how to replace your rear sway bar link on this Lincoln Navigator. You'll have one of these on each side on the rear of your vehicle. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. The first thing that we need to do is safely raise and support the rear of the vehicle so the wheels are off the ground. Once you've done that, continue on to removing your center cover. We'll do that using a pry bar. Carefully get in between this area and pop this out of place. A quick inspection, set it aside. Once you have that done, continue on to your 5 21mm lug nuts and then remove the wheel. Now that we have the wheel out of the way, we're going to move along to these two 13mm headed nuts. Now that we have that loose, let's move along to removing the lower mounting bolt for our sway bar link to sway bar. For this, we're going to use two 18mm. Let's pull this bracket out of the frame so we can gain easier access. Follow the sway bar link to where it connects to the frame. Use your 18mm to remove the mounting bolt and then the sway bar link. We'll hold on to that sway bar link so it does not fall. Remove your mounting bolt, remove the sway bar link. There it is, friends. Let's get ready for the installation of our brand new rear sway bar link. When you put this in position, make sure that you have the lower shaft aiming inboard. Let's start by mounting the top. You might need to align the mounting nut on the inside. That's easily done with this right here. Bottom this out and torque it to 20 foot-pounds. Let's get this back in position. Connect the lower sway bar link to the sway bar. Start on your 18mm nut, snug it up, and torque that to 20 foot-pounds as well. Let's make sure that this is aligned properly. Start on both of the mounting nuts. Make sure they're tight. Now we can reinstall our wheel. Start on all 5 of your 21mm lug nuts and bottom them out. Once you have that done, put your wheel back safely on the ground. Torque each of your lug nuts to 150 foot-pounds in a crisscross manner. Torqued. If you have a center cover, put that on now. Looking at the back, you can tell that you have 5 holes that need to line up. Line it up, knock it in. At this point, go ahead and take it for a road test. Make sure everything functions properly and get yourself safely down to your local alignment shop. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.